Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Miss Tanish1 here, and you are watching part 2 of my DIY Microlock installation video. In this video, I am getting more into detail on how I interlock my root, how I twisted my hair, and how I braided the ends. So enjoy the video. If you guys have any questions at all, please let me know. I will answer them as soon as possible, either in the comment section or in another video. All right guys, peace. So hey guys, I am just doing a quick check-in. This is all that I have left. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. 2 of them are rather large. Everything else is pretty much finished. So this may take a little bit longer because in these sections I have about 17 to 18 inches of hair. So my hair is about 15 inches in the back, 16 inches along the sides, in the middle, and it's about 17 to 18 inches long in this top portion. Also, this is where my 4B hair is. If you guys remember, I haven't made a video in so long. My hair is primarily 4C, and then this strip along the front is 4B hair, so it's a little soft as I am trying to twist. This section right here, I'm going to break into 3 smaller sections. So I already have the first one ready. I'm just gonna pin this out of the way. Gonna take my comb. This right here is gonna be broken into 4 twists. So I'm just gonna part it in half. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pin this out of the way, and then further break this down. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna tuck this away. I am using a little bit of this Curl Boss by Aunt Jackie to just set my twists. This portion of my hair is really long, so it takes quite a bit to actually twist it. The sides are a little uneven, so I'm just going to borrow a little bit of hair and continue twisting downward. I'm also keeping the hair detangled on the end by just sliding my fingers through. If your hair is like mine, then it's prone to kind of tangling and knotting on the ends. So when I have about 2 to 3 inches left, what I've been doing is braiding the rest of the way down if it is enough hair left at the end. So all in all, there's about this much hair left. So I'm just gonna split into 3. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to continue braiding the rest of the way down. Oh, it slipped out of my fingers. That's the problem. When the hair gets to be a bit thin, it kind of slips out of your fingers. So all in all, I would say about 60% of my micro twists are braided on the ends. If it's not braided on the ends, I just either forgot, or the hair just kept slipping out of my fingers, or it just wasn't enough hair. So this right here is one, and I'm going to do the other one. So now with this little bit of hair that's left, I'm gonna try my best to braid the remainder. My hair is a bit more softer at the top, so the braid will just prevent any slippage or unraveling that may or potentially could occur. All right, so I have my 2 twists, and what I've been doing is establishing the actual lock. So I've been doing 1 4-point rotation on the root to just establish my lock. So I'm going to slide this in. This is my lock tool. Not focusing. Slide this in. And I'm going to do 1 4-point rotation. So I'm going to go, what is this? 3 o'clock? I have to visualize a clock. 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock. And 9 o'clock is the hardest for me, because it's just, you need to angle it. Make sure that you're not getting any other hair, because it's very easy to interlock your twists together. And then 12 o'clock. That was 1 full rotation. I still have a little bit of room left, but I'm gonna leave it. I don't want anything tight or to cause any type of tension. So I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna slide the hair through. And I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm actually gonna pin it because I need to talk. And you have to be, hold on. You really have to be careful when it comes to interlocking yourself. So I'm gonna go $3 o'clock. Let me make sure I don't have any hair, other hair. 3 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock. And this is the one that always gets me. And then 12 o'clock, because I want my lock facing downward. Or hanging downward is a better way to put it. And pull it through. There. 1 4-point rotation.